Good morning, I'm Julian Osgood, and today at ATC we're going to be discussing with Pierre-Antoine the new installation of the automatic vacuum system.
We are here today in the factory because safety at ATC comes first, and we wanted to address one of the main issues which the operators are facing every day at work, and this issue is how to reduce the exposure to dust and particles. And this is what we just did with the design and installation of the central vacuum cleaning system just behind me. Two major benefits. The first, for the operators working every day in this production unit in Montagnais, first is that today they are breathing clean air without dust, without particles, without hazardous chemicals, and this is of major importance for them. You know, today people want to work in a safe environment, so it was our duty to assure them that what they do here in ATC will not affect their health. If you ask them the question, I think also they are very happy about this investment. The second benefit is about saving energy, because during winter time the air is reintroduced in the production unit, which is saving a lot of heat energy. And today, actually, we are not heating right now this production unit because the air is taken inside, filtered, and reintroduced, so there is barely no heat loss during this process. I believe that the French regulation regarding health and environment is one of the most strict in the world. So here we have a QSE department who has perfect knowledge of this regulation and how to comply with it. So if we have some customers who are having some issues with dust, particles in the tanneries, for sure we are able to give them some advice on what kind of filters to use, what kind of collective production equipment to use, what kind of individual production equipment to use. So we would be more than happy to do that.